Jack. 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 Jack, I need you to wake up. Jack. Can you hear me? You okay?
What happened?
I just want to know why.
Everybody just needs to calm down, okay?
Jack, these people are lying to us.
I know they're lying. Sooner or later, their people are going to come back from them. And when they do, we'll be waiting for them.
Unless they run off again.
Listen to me.
Jack, are you all right?
No, I'm fine. Just have to be patient. Oh, I hate being sick.
What do you think it is?
It's food poisoning.
What makes you think that?
Got some cramping, dehydrated, nausea.
I respectfully disagree.
Do you?
You want to lift your shirt up? If it's food poisoning, you got nothing to worry about.
Is that way?
The problem occurs somewhere during the second trimester when the mother's immune system is triggered. The white blood cell count plummets. It's like the immune system turns on the fetus.
Yeah.
Sure.
I don't know much about wine. Swipe this off the sub. Wish we could do this all the time.
Hi, come on in. Sorry, I have to get this ham out of the oven or it'll dry out.
Please, don't mind me. How are you feeling, by the way?
Never better.
It smells delicious. Ben, I thought this was a dinner party.
Just you and me. Well, I guess I should have made that clearer.
No, it's fine. I hope you like dinner rolls.
I do indeed.